Hey everybody, Dino Banjurno from Extend Tech here once again. Today, I want to feature a direct API integration that we've built with SanMar, a wholesale apparel supplier with focus on the promotional products industry. So common use cases are folks are perusing the SanMar site, trying to find availability, trying to check colors, styles, and search all that out. But with our integration, there's no need to go to SanMar's website. We have that connectivity cooked right within NetSuite. So calling out to search for product by brand or their style number, easy to do. So if I wanted to bring that same Port Authority shirt that I showed from their website, that K527, I could simply push that number in here and click search. And I get some top line information summary wise. And I can see really quickly here colors and sizes. And I could choose to constitute the product but from here and build the item records connected into NetSuite. Or I could take a deeper dive and maybe take a more finite look at what's available in terms of this product. So from this detailed view here, I have access to some images. I also have access to part level inventory information. So I could filter this down to specific colors or sizes to limit what appears in this detail section. So I said, I just want to see what's available in large. I get these quantities. The quantities are in aggregate. They're not distribution spend specific. So this is across all DCs. So I can focus in on certain sizes or colors. And I can also take a drill in here and look and see my contracted prices for these particular products just by clicking and calling out. So if I say, hey, this is great, this is the product that I want to bring into my NetSuite account, I want to be able to sell it and transact with it, I can electively decide to specify my own internal category for it within my NetSuite account. And then I can go ahead and decide which colors and sizes I want to bring in. Now, if I wanted to bring in the entire matrix, I wouldn't have to specify anything. I can just click constitute item and it would build out the full matrix. But in this case, for demonstration, I'm going to select one color. I'm going to bring in 3 sizes. If I were to do any more sizes than that, normally it would run an asynchronous process in the background and send me an email summarizing all of the variants that were built. Now, in this use case, because I've only done 3 variants, I get this quick immediate response of the sizes and colors that were built, the black, small, medium, and large. If we were to take a drill in and look at one of these item records and to see how it was constructed, I could show you the value of the SanMar Direct API integration and what we get out of it on our item records to enable frictionless transaction. So one of the things you'll notice right away at the top of my item record here is I have a couple of unique workflow buttons that have been added as a result of constituting through this direct API integration. I have the ability to refresh the entire product payload or just my purchase price with a click of a button. And anything that can be a click of a button in NetSuite, of course, can be set up as a scheduled workflow. The great thing about that is I could always ensure that my contracted purchase price is always up to date. Common use case for distributors purchasing from SanMar is they'll have scheduled routines that go out, refresh that purchase price on a regular basis, maybe daily, maybe weekly. Taking it a deeper dive into some of the other features of the direct API, some other valuable tidbits that come out of this is in these product details. And these are some of the things I love to demonstrate. So obviously, we've got a connected item record, and the secret sauce there is we're tracking this item against SanMar's internal ID, so we can enable an electronic purchase order transmission to SanMar. But we also get some other great stuff within this payload as well. We get SanMar spec sheets. We get product keywords that we can use in e-commerce environment. We also get access to all of the wonderful media images that SanMar serves up through their content delivery network, which is super great stuff. I mean, just taking a little dive into some of these elements here, it's pretty cool. Having access to the spec sheet that you can share with your prospects or clients, having access to these model images, which you might want to use in an e-commerce perspective and have these on your own website, just great stuff. So having a connected item record, having all this great metadata, now I'm set to transact electronically. And the great value in this is once you've built products in this connected fashion, you can easily transact with SanMar because all of the items that you're setting forth on your purchase orders are connected through this integration. That means you can place the PO electronically with SanMar. You can automatically fulfill or receive your purchase orders as a result of getting shipment confirmations from SanMar. You can even go out and get your bill. So you do not even have to manually vouch this. This I've seen at scale with good sized distributors that decide to constitute tens of thousands of items can easily and frictionless free have transactions flowing between them and SanMar. It ends up being a no-touch situation where orders just seamlessly flow in from e-commerce, get automatically pushed out to SanMar, get automatically marked as fulfilled, and can get automatically vouched. It's a wonderful end-to-end integration. I've seen some wonderful efficiencies gained by distributors who choose to lean onto this. If you found today's video helpful, informative, and are interested in more types of videos, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our blog, follow us on social media, and learn about more ways to help leverage your NetSuite investment. Thank you all for watching.